What's up guys, it's Josh from KeepItTechie, and today I want to do a quick video showing you guys the cal command. Now, as I stated in the intro of the video, I want to show you guys the cal command. This is a very basic command that you can run within any Linux distribution. It is included with any, is as a base utility within the Linux operating system. And what cal is used for is to actually show the calendar within your terminal. It's super beneficial to actually understand this command because it'll quickly allow you to view the calendar and show different formats. That way you can get information about the date, or if you're looking for specific dates, this command will help you with that as well. So let me go down and hop right to the terminal and show you guys this command. It's very simple. Okay, cool. So I had the terminal up. Let's go down and run the man command to pull up information about the cal command, and it's cal. That's the actual command that I want to show you guys. It says display a calendar. Now they have a whole bunch of options that can allow you to show different things, different arguments and all that good stuff. So let's go on and walk through how to actually use it. Well, let's read a little bit. It says cal displays a simple calendar. If no arguments are specified, the current month is displayed. The month may be specified as a number, as a month name, or as the abbreviated name, month name, according to the current locales. Two different calendar systems are used, Gregorian and Julian. These are nearly identical systems, with Gregorian making a small adjustment to the frequency of leap years. This facilitates improved synchronization with solar events like the equinoxes. The Gregorian calendar reform was introduced in 1582. But anyway, if you want to get a little bit more information about this command, just go down and read the description, and you can go through the options here, and I'll show you a few of the options and how I actually use it, because sometimes I just, out the blue, I need to know the date, and it's kind of simple to just run it in the command line. And let's say you're connected to a server and you need to know what the date is for whatever reason. You can just run cal and it'll pull up the calendar for the current month. Now let's go down and quit the man page and walk through a few examples of how to actually use the cal command. Now the first one I want to show you guys, it is the base command, which is cal. So let's press enter, and as you can see, it pulls up the current month and year, and it breaks everything out by the day of the week, and it shows you all the numbers for the month. So super cool, super convenient command, very easy to use. But let's go through a couple of the options. So let's say you want to look at a specific year, then you can just run cal and then -y, and then let's say you want to look up 2013 for whatever reason. Press enter, and that'll pull up the full calendar year for 2013. And you can do the same thing for any of the other months or any of the other years. So 2020, press enter, that's the same thing, and it breaks it all out for you for that year of 2020. Now let me clear right fast because it'll get a little confusing if I leave that up. But let me show you another option. Let's say you want to look at a specific month for the current year. So like for instance, we are in the month of June. So let's say you want to pull up the month of March from earlier this year, where you could type in cal and then -m. That's where this option comes in, and then you can type in MAR for March and press enter, and it'll pull up March 2021. So, and you can do that with any other month, like April. Let's say we want to look at April, it'll pull up April 2021. So super dope that you have that option there in the command line. Now if you've ever used Julian dates, or you've looked at Julian dates or whatever, then there is an option to pull up the Julian dates. So let's type cal and then -j, and it'll pull up the Julian dates for June 2021. So super simple, you know, super easy to use. But that's basically, it's basically counting out all 365 days of the year, you know what I'm saying? And right now we're on day 164, which is the same date of today, which is the 13th of June. Now let me go down and show you something else. You could pull up a certain amount of number of months throughout the year, and the way it works is it'll pull up a 3-month calendar, or you could pull up a 3-month calendar, and I'll show you guys that right now. So if we type cal and then let's type -3, and boom, it'll pull up the month before the current month and the month after the current month. So as you can see, it pulls up May, and then it also pulls up June, and then it pulls up the months after that, which is July. So this gives you a 3-month calendar, so to speak. So super cool, super convenient. Now let me show you guys one other thing. Let's say you want to look at a year calendar from today's month. So let's say you want to look from June to May. That'll be 12 months, you know what I'm saying, from here. So you can type cal and then dash capital Y, and that'll show a full year from today's date. So you'll see the month of June 2021, and then as you can see, it goes all the way to May 2022. So that's super cool. That'll help you out if you need to see some future dates or whatever. You know, that's dope to actually see that, you know, from the current month that you're in to, you know, a year from now. So super cool. Now there's another way to actually show the current months. It's called vertical. You can actually view the month in a vertical format. So it'll be the current month, but you can type cal and then dash lowercase v, and this will put it in a vertical format. So as you can see, it's in vertical. You'll see the, you know, the days right here, the days of the week, and then the numbers are going down. So 1 to 5, 6, you know, to 12, you know, it puts it in that vertical format. So super cool to actually see it. You have that option in case you need it. Now let me go down and show you guys another option, and this is the -W option, and this allows you to view the calendar with the weeks there. So all you have to do is type cal and then dash lowercase w, and that'll show you the week format. So as you can see, you know, it's 52 weeks in a year, and so this gives you that week number there. So right now we're in the 25th week of the year for June, you know, 2021, and it starts off the day with Sunday, but there is a way to actually change it, so it'll start off the week with Monday. You could do that, but by default it starts it with Sunday, which is the way the week actually starts. It starts on the Sunday. So that's super cool that you can actually do that. But that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys for this command. It's a very simple command. It's very easy to use. I just want to, most people don't really know about a lot of these little bitty utilities that are built into the operating system that you can actually check out and learn and understand how to actually use, and it can assist you while you're doing other things on the system. Like I use this command, you know, throughout the day a lot of times when I'm just looking at different dates. I'm trying to schedule out something, or I'm trying to schedule certain things, then I can pull up the calendar, you know, for a specific time and look at it, you know what I'm saying, and pull up the dates that I want to schedule something. So it's super interesting to actually have that here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave comments down in the comment boxes below, and of course, keep it techie.